What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the pizza guy John, and today's pizza is going to be something special. I asked AI to create me the world's best pizza recipe, and what you're seeing on the screen now is what it came up with. So let's see if it is the world's best pizza recipe. Super easy toppings. We have green bell peppers, red onion, we have black olives, mushrooms, of course your sauce. It does ask for basil, but unfortunately I didn't have basil, so I do have some garlic basil sauce that I made recently, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that on there. You have your mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, and of course your pepperoni. So let's go ahead and let's take a look. We're going to be cooking inside. I've been using the baking stove, which I've been preheating now for close to an hour, so that is ready to go. I have my dough here. This is basically just a 48-hour dough that I did, and as you can tell, it's doubled in size and it's ready to go. So let's go ahead, we'll get this first one here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this first one here, and as you can see, it is ready to go. So let's get some semolina there. Get that flopped into our semolina. Like I said, we're going to be cooking inside the home oven, and that's again what it calls for. So let's just go ahead. As you can hear all that air in the dough, sounding really nice. Smells good too. Let's go ahead and flip that over. And this dough is really nice. Again, I have a video that I have posted, so if you want to check that out, again, that will be linked above. As well, check out my channel for that. So this was about 260 grams, which is going to be perfect. And go ahead and put it on this pill here. All right, so let's get that. And we're just going to go down with our red sauce here. And again, this is just some simple sauce with a little bit of salt in there. Nothing too complicated. So yeah, comment down below again what type of toppings you like. Check out my other videos that I have on my channel. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. And again, today's test is going to see, does AI really know what the world's best pizza is? Considering that it is just a robot, it doesn't really eat. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get that. And get our pepperonis down as well. And like I said, this is just going to go into the home oven. Do a little bit of mushrooms here. And these are just raw mushrooms. Again, they will cook in the oven, so not too worried about that. Some black olives. This is almost kind of considered like a supreme pizza. And then again, we have our bell peppers and our onions. So I'm just gonna kind of sprinkle that there. And our basil sauce. So let me go ahead and we'll get some of that on here. I'm just kind of getting that sprinkled on. All right, and so again, we're just gonna go straight into the oven, which, like I said, it's been on now for close to an hour, and I have the broiler on, so that is really going to get that piping hot. So Again, this is our bacon still. And I'm just gonna get on that. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and let that cook, so then I will be back shortly here in a bit. All right, so we're about 2 minutes in. I'm gonna go ahead. The cheese is bubbling nicely. As you can see, it is crisping up. The crust is looking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that spun around, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook it again now for maybe another 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so we are good. As you can see, it is cooked nicely, brown all the way around. Let's go ahead and take a look at that bottom. Bottom is nice and brown. So let's go ahead and let's put it on our cooling rack. We'll let this cool. As you can see, that's looking really, really nice. We'll go ahead and let this cool down for a couple minutes, and then we'll go ahead and cut into this. We'll be back. All right, so here is the pizza. Again, this is a pizza that was created using AI. So let's really find out, is this the world's best pizza? Again, it has bell peppers, onions, pepperoni, black olives, mushrooms. I have a garlic basil sauce. And of course you have Parmesan and your mozzarella cheese cooked in the home oven. As you can see, it is brown all the way around, fully cooked. Bottom is nice and cooked all the way. So let's go ahead and cut into this, and let's see if this is the world's best pizza. As you can hear, it's nice and crispy, which is what we want. All right, and let's go ahead and cut one more side this way. All right, let's go ahead and get this pizza here. Bottom is cooked, that crust is looking good. Let's go ahead and get a bite. It's definitely a good pizza. Comment down below if you think this is one of the world's best pizzas. Again, look at all these nice toppings that it has, nice color to the crust. I don't know, it's definitely good, but I don't know if I would say if it's the world's best pizza. So, you know, fun little experiment. If you like my videos, check out my channel at the comment down below, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.